What's going on, gamers? It's Topher back. How you doing, gamers? So yeah, the last mission was so long, and we still couldn't even reach Mondos's lair, and that was freaking crazy. Now that we've infiltrated this place, I think yeah, it should be quietness to the end of this game. So I don't know what to upgrade here actually. Should I go? I think I'm gonna be using the Kablu so much, but yeah, anyways. I have nothing, so yeah, I shouldn't go with that. I won't be using it that much. So the demon evade, I'm not really good at evading, so I'm not gonna take it anyways. Yeah, so let's get this demon hunters. Whoa, that shit's crazy. Okay, that's sick.
Mundus's chamber is located at the top of the core. There, you will reunite with Virgil. Be careful. The souls of the damned are channeled.
Oh boy. This might be the hardest mission yet. As I've always said, platforms are my greatest enemies.
You're on your own from here.
Why? Oh boy. Oh boy. That should be pretty dangerous. No! I see! No! Seriously? What if a person has... This place has a lair. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay. Come over here. No! No! Why? No! I hope this mission isn't as long as the previous one. Okay, you're doing this. Oh, I could have made that. I could have. No. Ooh. Okay, we're safe. We're safe, boys. We're safe. Ah! Oh shit, it's actually... Oh! It takes part of my health. Okay, I think we made this. Yeah, we made this. Nice. I'm Dante, Nephilim. I hear one of these guys. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, there you are. Got you, boy. Be free. Jeez, maneuver in this place is gonna be tricky. Oh boy. Oh boy, should I have made that? Oh, my health. You again, seriously? Oh, you're lot. Nice. I was going to get bust. Oh shit. Smash! Nice. Oh boy, not nice. I'm gonna take care of the tyrants first. It's always so annoying. Get out of the way. No, move. Nice. Okay, made that. I don't really know about me made that. Oh, nice. What? That should have gotten both of them. Get out of the way. Why didn't die so? Didn't die quick. Yeah, there we go. Ouch. This is going poorly. Really poorly. I don't know. What? Why is my health so low? Gotta take this. Nice. Oh boy, nah, you're talking. Oh! I got a little bit of health, nice. Die, you bastard. Nice! Oh boy, nice, that was so nice. There we go. Oh, there's more. Oh no. This is a very poor matchup. I hate this. You're just gonna keep them creating an opt-in and all the tyrants, and tyrants alone is even harder on his own. Why would anyone do this now? Yo boy, this is a poor matchup. I'm gonna take a while first. There she is. Let's go. Nice. Gotta keep it going. No, oh boy. Ooh. Just die. You bash. Oh boy, I made out of that. We're making progress. Let's go. Nice. Oh, nice. We made it. Time for us to die, homeboy. What you got? Face me. Nice. You didn't see that coming, did you? Let's finish this. Come on, die. Oh boy. Whew. That was perfect. Nice. You gotta die, man. Thank you. Jeez. But I have to say that was pretty tough. Like one of these guys. There should be a lot of them hiding pretty much everywhere here. Oh, look at that. 45 over 80. There's so many. I can't possibly get all of them anyways. So, where was I coming from and where am I going to? Yeah, I think we're going this way. Yeah, we're going this way. I can see myself falling all over and over again. Okay. That was pretty dope. Made that. Okay. It's pretty sick, you know. I think this is the wrong way, but there should be something over there. Yeah. Yeah, this is the wrong way. Spiders! Death to the spiders! Okay. That was past the point. Come to daddy. Oh, my first time getting this. What? At the end of my mission. At the end of the game. That's crazy. How did I not fall there? No, what am I doing? Whoa. Actually made it. Nice. I hope I don't get lost though. Oh boy. Another bat teaming up. Out of the way. Nice. That was quick. Oh, nice. Surprise. Okay. Nice. Oh, nice. I ain't got nothing. So I believe there should be more of those guys at the other side. And there I can see the secret door right there. How you doing? Oh, I've missed that so much. Oh, I thought I wouldn't see you. I've been sorry. We're free. I wanna get that. Nice. How convenient. Okay, I made that. Whoa. What? What were the odds? Whoa, nice. Nah. Once bitten, twice shy. Okay, nice. Oh boy. I think this is gonna be like oh no. Can I make this? Do I have to cut it right now? Oh no. Ouch. That was bad. Very bad. Yeah. This is what I meant to do. This is what I should have done. Okay, there we go. I can get up there. Nice. So let's beat our time. Wait for it. Cash. I can make this. Nice. I did. Oh boy. I believe on the other side there should be a lot of enemies right there. Like, wait for me. So let's go. How convenient. That's supposed to be an epic entrance. Come on. I don't trust you. Oh. Hey, Laura. Okay, made it. So let's go demon hunting. Oh, come on. No. I hate you. What? Wait for your turn. Give me a good piece of shite. Okay. Oh boy. I can't see shit. Where am I? Okay, I think I need this. I'm being careful. Oh boy, he's coming. Ouch! They direct it. Get your freaking bed out of my face. Come on. No. I should have pulled him down. What was I doing? Oh, he died anyways. Nice. No. I ain't gonna make this. Nah. This won't help. Nah. That's my best. My best wasn't the best. Ouch. I'm gonna die. I can see my deaths. What? You see how? Come on. And I died. That was a very poor on my side. And I apologize. It's time for revenge. Nothing sweet like revenge, boy. Out of my way. I want to take care of this bitch first. Let's go. I always try to do the lunge thing, the trillion stabs thing, and it's always so like. Seriously, we talked about that, you know. How you like that? Come on, I'm gonna whoop your eyes as much as I like. Come back. That's what I like, maybe. I hate that freaking thing. And she dead. There's no where that came from. Smash! So shit. Ooh, that was awesome. I so freaking had him. And you dead, homeboy. Ooh, nice. Why are you in dead yet? Oh, I actually made that somehow. Oh, nice. Seriously? Oh yeah, these guys. I don't know who to kill first. They both are annoying. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. The way this guy spies me in my demon mode is so annoying. In my Nephilim mode, it's crazy. Seriously. I'm so gonna whoop your ass so much. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Oh, that's crazy. Look at how do I juggle him. Oh, I know his weakness now. Oh, shite. Ouch. Okay. What freaking is happening to both of us? Ouch. So many attacks. Leave me alone. One of you, come at the time. It's for your turn. Okay, nice. Seriously. Why is this shit dying? Oh, I dodged that, nice. I had to get out of the way. I remember they could pirate. I'm tired of this shit. Why is she dying? It's annoying. Just die, you bastards. Jeez. How you like that? Nice. Oh, I'm really giving what I got. Come on. Nice. Whoa. I fired him so hard. Ouch. He also down to the wall. Okay. He's getting on my nerves. Nice. Nice. I've been trying to do this for so freaking long and I got it 2 times in a row. Crazy. Ooh. Ooh. My blood is pumping so high right now. Oh, that was crazy. A crazy matchup. It was like I was playing Survivor or something. There's more to come, guys. Whew. But I want to get out of this place so bad right now. Come on. Come on. We talked about this. We talked about this. Why you do me like that? Okay. Seriously. Now I'm hitting this. I mean, the game making me fall every single time there's a platforming section. But this time it's pretty much simple. I'm intense about platforming. So am I dying? Come on. What the hell? Jeez. There's one of these guys here. Yeah, there he is. Ha. I could hear you a mile away. Nothing. Ain't nothing here. Nice. Okay, that was crazy. I believe getting this far in this game was actually up to Kat. You know, she's the one that laid out the plan and made it successful this far. I should say she's really smart. Would you look at that? I got 4 of those. Nice. I died once though. And I really died. I got my ass whooped. I got my ass handed to me. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Hopefully you get to see how we butcher Among Us. I wanna rip him so hard.